I'm working on these gauges here, removing these gauges from the panel. And as you can see, I marked it a gauge 1 and 1 location right here. So we got location 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it looks like those guys, they're just kind of continuous. They just go in series from one to another, just probably giving power. This one right here, he fits into this one, probably main, starting on the 1. So who knows, maybe it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, 6. But whatever, I marked them, so yeah. That way I know on this cable right here, the number 1, it goes behind this. So that way unhook it from here, from the top, goes behind and gets hooked up in here, powers up this bottom part. This is for 5th wheel lock. I took that thing out. I still gotta figure out how I'm gonna get those guys out, but we got number 1 and number 2, so that means just location, doesn't mean anything. And then I still gotta mark these guys right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that way I don't mess them up when I put them back. And there you go. Let's see if we can zoom into those. Don't know if that's gonna help at all. Okay, so we finally got this one panel out. Took all the gauges out. As you can see here, it's like it's cracked here. You know, the 5th wheel lockup, you know, was here. Some kind of a nasty sticker here, and peeled film right here and here. It's got some cracks here, you know, and a little bit over there because it was rusted. Try and get it out. So anyway, we're gonna clean it up and reface it, basically relaminate it. That's what we're gonna do that, and then that's all the gauges. Got them all out, marked out. Let me just show you what actually I did here. Basically, I just mark them all, like, you know, say 5th wheel lock over here. You know, it's like 1, 2, the location where they are, and they're basically I marked them even here. Right. As you can see here, it's like they're marked, so that way I know where they're going. Nobody's been here since 2010, 2000. So, yep, it's a process. Never done this before, so it's not easy. But because, as you can see, the dash used to be this color right here, and now we're gonna go to this flat black. You know, it's like there's no way I can go around it. I gotta take all these things out and, you know, fix problems like, you know, some of these metal plates with where you screw the panel in, they were broken, and you can see what I did there. I put this aluminum back plate in there, so I have something solid to screw into. So that's my project right now until I'm waiting for my rear end, and it's coming in a few days. So stay tuned. This is gonna take some time. So, but it's just a start. You know, those gauges, it looks like they tried to clean them up. Looks like they're gonna clean up really nice, and, you know, hopefully, you know, got everything right and put it back in order the way it was. I'm thinking to relocate my 5th lock, put it somewhere else. So basically, the reason why I'm thinking that's a maybe. So it used to be in here and had the metal plate right. Yeah, this plate right here, right? But I don't know, it just, to me, it just looks like kind of stupid right there. It can be anywhere. It's not something you use every day. And I don't know, I was thinking maybe we can open it up a little bit like that and put some kind of a screen in there, or if not, you know, I can I don't know, small little iPad, something, you know, I mean, anything that is down on your dash instead of being on your, you know, I mean, in front of whatever, not on top of the dash, whatever. So, I mean, I know they have those screens, like a digital GPS. Yeah, there you go. Probably now the GPS might fit in here pretty nice too, you know. So, I don't know. I don't have anything to do it yet, but I still think I have to figure it out where I would put this, but I'm sure that is, you know, we can figure that out. It's not, the plumbing doesn't look all that complicated, you know, just basically remove this right here and exchange that, and then basically this is long enough to go whatever I want it. And, you know, there you go. We're back in business with like easy fixing, you know, relocating. Might even be able to put it there somewhere, you know. I don't know. It's an idea. But yeah, plus I got the bottom plate right here too. I didn't even look if I have space. Maybe I put it there. But I definitely, the ones, this one and the one on top over there, I want to make them really nice and stuff. So, and I'm thinking this might go back to the same color. And then these bottom ones, I might make them like carbon fiber, you know, just to, you know, give it a little bit of balance there, make a difference. So, yeah. As you can see, some of my dash over here, it's already painted. And yeah, I got my swatch up there, but it's looking pretty nice and clean. Besides, the rest of the truck needs major cleaning, but I'm in the process. It'll come out. Yep. Thanks for watching, guys. So this is just an idea. It was not easy. It was definitely not easy because I've never done it, and I didn't want to break them. And these stupid things, these gauges, they cost a lot of money. They're like not cheap. But look at this thing. I can clean this baby up, and it can make it look like brand new. You know, like it's 1999, baby. Okay. All right. We'll talk to you later. When I get to this, start spraying this thing here.